Which sink is best for your kitchen countertop? Dear friends, welcome back to the channel. When designing or renovating a kitchen, one of the most important choices is selecting the right sink for your countertop. A sink isn't just a utility feature, it affects your workflow, cleaning habits, and even the overall look of your kitchen. In today's video, we'll compare the most popular kitchen sink options to help you choose the best one for your home. Top-Mountt sink, top-mount, or drop-in sinks are the most common type. They're easy to install, budget-friendly, and work well with almost all countertop materials. The visible rim gives good support, but it also collects dirt and makes cleaning slightly difficult. Under-mount sink. Under-mount sinks sit below the countertop, giving a seamless and premium look. They make wiping food scraps directly into the sink super easy. However, they require strong countertop materials like granite, quartz, or solid surface. Installation costs are slightly higher, but the aesthetics and convenience are worth it. Farmhouse, apron front sink. These sinks extend beyond the edge of the countertop and add a stylish, classic look. They offer a large, deep bowl, great for big utensils. But they require special cabinet and counter modifications, making them more expensive to install. Quartz granite composite sink. If durability is your priority, composite sinks made from granite or quartz are a fantastic choice. They are heat-resistant, scratch-resistant, and available in modern matte colors. Their only drawback is that darker shades may show water spots if not cleaned regularly. Stainless steel sink. Stainless steel sinks are lightweight, durable, and easy to maintain. They blend well with modern kitchens and are available in many sizes and shapes. Choose a sink with a thicker gauge for better noise reduction and longevity. Which one should you choose? If you want a clean and modern look, go for an under-mount sink. If you prefer an easy installation and a low cost, a top-mount is perfect. For a stylish, spacious option, choose a farmhouse sink. If heavy usage is expected, granite composite or stainless steel is a reliable choice. Conclusion. Selecting the right sink depends on your kitchen style, countertop material, and daily use. Think about maintenance, durability, and how often you cook. With the right choice, your sink can make your kitchen both beautiful and highly functional. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more home improvement tips. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.